Hey guys, it's your girl Ruma Styles from Ruma. It's your girl Ruma from Ruma Styles. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this basic turban tutorial, and then I'll do a really basic look so you guys can see what I kind of do. I'll show you guys how to do two styles, and maybe you guys can see how I style my hijabs. So I'll show you. Let's just get into it. Okay. Alright, so I have another hijab underneath for video purposes, but yeah. Basically what I did was I took this austere attire hijab, I folded it in half. It's an embroidered hijab, as you guys can see. It's really pretty. It's just like super long. I folded it in half because I didn't want too much fabric on my head. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place it on top like so. And then right here, this is really hard without a mirror. I don't know how people do it. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna like do that. So I'm basically crisscrossing them around, okay? So you see that? Kind of crisscross that. And then there's like this piece that I really don't like. I just kind of took it in right there, but we'll mess with that afterwards. So after I do that, I kind of take this end, whichever end, whatever end you want. So you can take this end and kind of bring it around like that. Then you see how it comes here, you can just tuck it in like that. And then what? Then you're gonna take this end and then you're just gonna, you can leave it like this if you want to, because I know sometimes it looks kind of cute, and you could like make a knot. See, that's kind of cute, right? I guess Ruma, I guess it's kind of cute. But so we're gonna take this and we're gonna just like bring that around. So yeah, see, I kind of like it like just like that, right? Do you see that? But it'd be kind of cool if this wasn't so much. But this is what happens when you have hijabs. You kind of play with it and make it your own. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of like folding it because I don't want too much fabric. Okay, there you go. So, but I make sure like the embroidery is out, right? So you can see it. See that? See that? See that? See that? And then I just kind of tuck it in. I tuck it in. And then voila, you have your turban hijab. And then if you want to clean it up, you can clean it up. And yeah, but yeah, so this is what I was saying, clean it up. I mean like tuck it in, like the excess drops. But there you have it. That's the turban tutorial, y'all. So the second one is what I'm gonna do. This one I like to wear like when I'm doing like shoots or kind of going out for like a dinner party and stuff like that. The second one is, I haven't worn this style in a very long time, but it used to be one of my favorite styles. I'll show you. It's like more simple, more basic, like everyday wear kind of thing, and it has more coverage. If that's what you like, you know. So what I'm doing is I'm leaving it the same way. See, like the same length. No one longer, one shorter. So what I'm doing is basically I'm taking this and I'm kind of like folding it on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. All up in your face. Sorry if I have boogers, you guys, because it's been a really cold day. So yeah, so just gonna take this, pull it down really hard. I'm not gonna pin it here. No, I'm just gonna take it and like literally almost choke myself with it. I forget I have to keep looking here and keep looking up there because I'm using my front camera as like a mirror, because this is super hard to do without a mirror. And then I'm just gonna take this and just pull it like that. Yeah, this kind of gives it like this really basic, simple, pretty look. And then what I'm gonna do is, you see these two ends here. I'm just gonna take this and this and kind of like pin it right there. Okay. And so there you go. You have this really simple, really fun, I don't know if it's really fun, but really, really clean look. So you can wear it like this and just, you know. You can also like kind of bring it down like that if you'd like. So it's kind of like a, you know, one style. Or you can just pull it back how you had it. Get it. The key to any like really nice style and fashion, with anything, with any clothes, item, article, is to make sure that you have fun with it and you know what looks good on you. Like what looks good on me might not look good on you. What looks good on you might not look good on me. But always make sure you play with it and do some fun things that makes you feel like, you know, you could own it. So this next style is just a very simple style. It's just like this. This is the first one, but with the, this is how I usually do mine. Okay. You just saw how I did it. This is how I usually just get out the house and do it. I don't even wear a pin because, truth be told, I'm super lazy. Super lazy. So yeah, that's the last look. I kind of showed you guys this in the first one, right? Okay. Anyways, if you guys like, please ask me like what you want to see for future tutorials and things of that sort. Makeup wise, this is my friend. She did it. Looks bomb, right? Follow her on the gram. I will post details below. Follow me on the gram. My Instagram is on here. Let me show you. As you guys can tell, rose gold is like one of my favorite colors. I have like everything rose gold. Even my background is like rose gold. Well, not rose gold. This is kind of like a blush pink, but has that vibe to it. Let me show you where to go. So this is my gram. That's me, you guys. Ruma Styles. That's my stuff. So just come follow me, and hopefully we can become friends. KK? Happy New Year's, you guys. Stay safe, be happy, speak great things into existence, and I'll see you. Bye.